Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to show you how I created a cute little Christmas craft with the 2024 Christmas lettering kit. Okay y'all, so my name is Ashley. Welcome back to my channel and welcome for the first time if you're new here. I'll be showing you how I used the 2024 Christmas lettering kit that I created for my shop. So these were available in my shop to purchase so that you can practice lettering and create these two different lettering pieces. You didn't have to do them exactly like this, but I provided this, the two pieces, and the markers. This Christmassy set that matches the Glimmer and Grand collection in my shop. And then I also have with me today, so here are the two little cards that you get. These are half letter size. And also today, I have these painted papers that I like to do for my Patreon. So every month I create these papers, and it's a super relaxing thing to do. I do this in Procreate. And so I just draw little designs, make marks, and use the colors and the motifs and the ideas from the current theme for that month. So the current sticker theme in my shop. But in Patreon, everybody at every tier gets these like painted papers. And these are so that, you know, if they want to add a little extra flair or razzmatazz in their planners or journals to go along with their stickers, then they kind of have these exclusive papers. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to pick one of these to letter. I'm thinking I want to do this one, the one that says I am the gift. I'm going to pick one of these, and then I'm going to pick one of these papers. And I kind of had an idea when I was drawing these papers that I wanted to use this plaid one. Y'all, I'm kind of obsessed with drawing plaid paper at the moment. So I think the last painted papers that my patrons got had a set of plaid in it too. But I'm thinking I want to put that down like that. And my idea was actually for the plaid, but then once I got to drawing, I thought that that might be cute too with those little trees. I like the scratchiness. I use like an oil brush to do those in Procreate. And so I like those little trees too. So depending on how bright this gets, then I'll probably use one. Well, let's make sure. It looks cute on there too. But I think I'm liking this one. So we'll put these to the side. And then I also have a picture frame, and I just got this picture frame from, I think, Dollar General, but the $1 and $2 ones that are at Dollar Tree, those work just fine. I just wanted to frame this. I thought this would be a nice little craft to do maybe with family and friends on Christmas or a little bit before, and you just have some nice decor or even a last minute gift. So if you don't have these supplies, of course, I would like for you to go. You can subscribe to my Patreon for as little as $3, but you can get these papers, and then you know, you can letter on a sheet of paper as well, and try to follow what I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna zoom in a little bit for you, and I'm just gonna start lettering. Okay, so now I'm going to see which piece of paper I like this on the most. And I know I was between these two sheets. I think I like this one. I think I'm going to stick with my first thought and do the plaid. I really like this one too, but maybe I'll do the other card later and put it on that background. So I'm just going to open up my my frame here. Let's get this in the center. Put it down. And I'm gonna have to trim this sheet. I'm gonna have to trim this, so I'll be back. And here we are. We have this cute little Christmas craft that was super easy and fun to create. And I'm probably going to do this other card and put it on that other Christmas tree paper that I liked later. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this is something fun for you to do with your friends or family around Christmas time. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.